bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Smart doorbells connect to a shared cloud account to send alerts to multiple users simultaneously. When motion or a visitor is detected, the cloud server pushes notifications to all linked devices at once. This ensures everyone with access receives instant updates, making it easy to stay informed and improve household or team security.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.